your book, The Preconception Cleanse, where can people find that?
That's on Amazon under the Preconception Cleanse with my name, Mary Shackelton. That'll come up on Amazon. And then I also have a website, maryshackleton.com. I do have a preconception course where you can be walked through. It's kind of a good mirror for the book, but it's a great complement to having people really understand the presentation of what's happening. So it's also a how-to. It's 4 modules, and you can find that on my website, maryshackleton.com.
Wonderful. And again, this is so important. I feel like so many people that are trying to have children overlook this. They go straight to the IVF. They go straight to almost a blame game. Who's to blame here? Is it me, him? When in reality, if you both did this detox and took this on, I believe we would see a lot more ease in having children.
Yeah. And the A.D.H.D thing really was the impetus on some level for this, because it's not the rate that we're seeing. This is not normal and it's not okay. And now pharmaceutical companies are gearing all of their new research to attention focused drugs and anxiety. And so those are all manifestations of neuroinflammation. And so the brain is responsive. If you watch your kid early on and you notice something's not right with either how they're behaving socially or academically, there is a lot that you can do about that. And so, that again comes to nutrients and diet and exposure, watching exposure.
No, learning all this and being aware gives you power. It's empowering. And then you can make the changes rather than saying, I have no choice. Let's just take a drug and put a child on what's a powerful
my kid has
drug.
ADD.
Maybe to some degree that will always be there, but there are ways to mitigate this, and that's not often offered to people either. So I just want to encourage people with families already that this information could help their families stay stronger. Because we're going to be on this planet for decades. So the stronger and more resilient you are, the less disease and disability you'll experience.
Absolutely. And the healthier we'll all be as a society and a world. Dr. Shackelton, thank you so much for your work, for coming on and for this book.
Thank you for having me. This is fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Come back on with your next book, hopefully soon.
Yeah, I think it'll be about sperm health. I'm working on that right now.
Ooh, okay. Yes, you will definitely come back on for that. As you heard here, it's true that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, but never more so when bringing new life into the world. Be sure to check out Dr. Shackelton's book, The Preconception Cleanse. And until next time, keep writing your own healing story.